So this is the login scene in Remio. It's the first thing you see when you enter. So we're currently going through server list changes, so it may look different when you first join, but the part that I'm about to show you will be the same. So if your server has meta avatars enabled, you'll just click here to access this window. So if you want the meta avatars to be enabled and you are the server owner, then you need to do that on the Remio dashboard on your server page. If you are not the server owner, then you do need to talk to the server owner, whoever that may be. So you have two choices. You have Remio avatars or meta avatars. Ready Player Me will come in a future release, but meta avatars are available now. So be aware of the restrictions that come with meta avatars. It won't disturb your experience at all. If something can't be done with a meta avatar, then you will switch to a Remio avatar automatically and then switch back. But it shouldn't be a problem at all. So go ahead and make your choice. We'll choose meta just because that's what the video is about. And voila, you've joined Remio as your beautiful meta avatar.